Hi there, I'm Jairo from Contabo, and in this video I'll show you how to host multiple websites on a single server using LiteSpeed virtual hosting. Whether you're managing personal projects or building out the client portfolio, this quick guide walks you through a complete multi-site setup, from the main configuration to SSL. With LiteSpeed virtual hosting, you can serve multiple websites, each with its own domain, root folder, and settings, from a single server. It's perfect for efficient server management, staging environments, or managing websites for clients. Start by logging into the LiteSpeed WebAdmin Console with this line. This is your control center for everything server-related. Next, to create a virtual host, head to Configuration, Virtual Hosts, and click Add. Enter your virtual host name, root directory, and config file location. Now, set the document root. That means configure where site files live. In the General tab of your virtual host, set the document root to something like this. And save. To complete your domain configuration, go to Configuration, Listeners, and select your active listener. Then map the virtual host to its domain. If you want HTTPS, go to your virtual host SSL tab, enable SSL, and input your certificate paths. Then restart LiteSpeed. For a multi-site setup, you now just need to repeat these steps for each new domain. With LiteSpeed, multi-site setup is easy, and each site stays isolated, secure, and fast. To test whether it's working, drop an index.html in each root folder, visit the domain in your browser, and verify the setup. And don't forget, you can monitor everything under logs in WebAdmin or here. And that is it. You now know how to set up LiteSpeed virtual hosting for a full multi-site setup, complete with SSL, and clean domain configuration. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy hosting with Contabo.